What?
What?
The fuck you talking about?
Who said what? I don't know.
The fuck you guys talking about?
Who was that?
Hey, y'all ready to fucking finish this EP or what, dude?
Yeah, bro. What are you talking about?
What do we gotta do now?
Just record some vocals, man. We're done.
Who was that, brother, man?
How many fucking months have we been working on this thing?
Oh shit! Like what? 6 months now?
Heber said he's recording damn, he already built a whole ass gimbal. Look at him.
Oh yeah.
We are Chewy Soliloqui, guys. Bass player, my name is Heber.
Guitarist and vocalist. My name is Ben.
My name is Alex. Percussion.
I've been in this band since what? February, arguably. February,
Sounds about right.
February 2024.
Whenever you do that, how many we got left? 2 more? We're playing music? Hell yeah, dude.
It's 1 in the motherfucking morning. What's this little studio space called?
I just call it the studio.
The studio?
Yeah.
What do you call it, bro?
No, the spot. That's what I was gonna call
The
it.
spot? I call it the spot.
I've been calling it the unit.
I've been calling it, oh, the unit?
Yeah. I've been going to the unit.
That's pretty fine. That's pretty fine.
Spot, unit.
We've been going to the unit every night.
That was kind of cool, the unit. Is there a band named The Unit? That's a cool band name. The Unit?
I don't know. Go. Scoo, scoo. Day 5, possibly 4, still of like week 1 of having this studio spot.
Yeah, I've been pretty much chilling here every day.
Every day.
After work, on the weekends. The other day, we're walking around and stuff. Got it.
Got it.
Welcome to the humble abode.
Right on.
Hi, neighbors. You remember when you were playing, bro? No?
Yeah, he
You got it? 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, some random jam. May 1st, first of the month. All right, shit.
We get into this shit real fast.
What I think we need there is a little bit of a rhythm. I think like a rhythm, and I think after a little bit, it should get heavy. Yeah, like a fucking like. We'll have to get a little weird there. So 6, 8, 6, and on the last time we come into the chorus per se, we'll kind of just let that bitch ride out, you know? Yeah. Take it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the hardest part for me that I had to get used to was that find solace in the third of every fourth, because it fits in the bar, right? Well, like we want, like when we wanted to sing it at a different time. So we initially said 3 thirds. We're like the third of every fourth, because that's how we end. Yes, and I'll match you on that, because that's not so tight. But like that.
Realistically, when
Let's
was the
finish
first
so we
time?
can break up. What happened is we're gonna find how to open it differently each song at soundcheck. Like we're gonna be like. On my end at home, but
let's play it out Wednesday then. Wednesday,
yeah,
6 and after.
Yeah, that sounds good to me.
Everybody go with that? Go with that?
Yeah, and just if it changes looks now, but
okay, yeah.
But yeah, man, I mean, any other input?
Time we recorded it, like started recording
3 or 4 months ago.
3 months. So we've been working on this for 3 months.
Since we got the fucking.
We've gone through we've gone through this fucking thing. We've gone through these fucking things. We've gone through that, like 1,000 of these. Yeah, dude. A little over half a year. How do you guys feel?
Feeling great, man. Really confident in what we've been writing. Obviously, you know, we're working on tracking all of it so we can put it out into the world officially in some kind of semblance of good quality. But I'm really feeling good about not only that, but the newer stuff we've been writing that anybody's really heard yet. It's really exciting.
You're about to lay down some vocals. You ready?
Fucking ready, dude.
Chewy Soliloqui. Chew on this. EP. Coming soon.
Some pictures up inside of my house.
What song is this, brother?
They won't leave until I'm gone. This is the song that I sing to our groupies.
Oh.
This is a song I sing to groupies to tell them to leave because I'm a fucking married man.
All Ben is here is just a guitarist, bro.
I'm not even a guitarist for real, bro.
That's what Lisa's here.
I'm just a pretty face, bro.
I want you to make sense.
It's like, actually, hold on. You know what? Now that we're talking about this, I want to get this.
What?
Kill yourself on air so I can chat with God for a sec. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
I'll be right back. Don't get rid of me.
That'd be some wild shit. You're on air. You're like, hold on. Actually, I'll be right back.
All right, so we rearranged the spot a little bit. We're gonna test out some, what do you call it? Acoustics, I guess.
Yeah.
Some feedback, some monitoring.
Yeah,
Some,
some
on-stage monitoring.
Experience.
There you go. But this is a new setup. Drums are off the corner.
You need an action, bro. Yeah, we play live music with you guys again, man. Like there's no more comfortable feeling than playing music with your fucking brothers.
Well, yeah, with people that you fucking know.
Yeah.
What is this? Wow.
This
Dude.
is our inspiration for the next EP we're putting out.
Cut the crap. All right, guys. Today's date is October the 30th. We are this close to wrapping up our EP, and apparently there's a fucking tornado happening. Ben's about to dip, right, bro? How do you feel about the EP? You're the majority of the vocals, you're everything. We just gave it a quick listen before we came out here. What's your thoughts?
I think it's the best piece of music in the last 1,000 years.
Since Bach, right? Since Johann Sebastian Bach.
I'd mop the floor with that motherfucker.
Woo! You heard that? Johann Sebastian Bach's relative.
Big words, brother, man.
Listen, man, you get the fuck home. Look at these fucking trees. This shit's getting crazy, all right? If we survive, Chew on It EP Volume 1.
This might be our
Cyclone
final
season.
communication, fellas.
Might be our final communication, but I think we'll be all right.
Bye,
Have a
beautiful time.
See you, Ben.
See y'all.
Have a good one, bro.
Later, bro.
Chew on It EP coming soon. No, that's not what we're doing. Check this out. Look, there's like a 1 week away from this EP coming out. How are you fucking feeling, dude?
I'm feeling good.
Maybe, bro. I mean, goddamn, how much time do you think we need?
Where is this?
A day?
Where does this deadline come from?
Right. 3 days. We got the album cover.
Oh, never.
Damn.
Yikes.
We're shooting for the EP. You know, we're putting out this EP here soon.
Nice.
And we're really shooting for this EP to be done by 29th.
What's the EP called?
The EP is called Chew on. Chew on this.
Yo, just heard your new record, Chew on This EP or whatever. It's alright.
Like, you know what my job's
Pretty cool, dude.